Well, disaster zone. Isn't this nuts? Anyways, yeah, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Amber. So I know you guys have been dying for some house update videos. You guys saw it get destroyed and now it's getting rebuilt back up, but there's been some issues. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys a little day in my life, week in my life of what it's really like being in charge of this mess, because let me tell you, it's just as much of a show as you would imagine. Alrighty, it is a beautiful day in Los Angeles, California at my house. But let me tell you, it is a wonky ass day on the inside of my house. So many people in the house right now. Look at this. It's like a billion men. All right, so my outfits just get worse by the day. But yeah, today is basically a day of a million meetings. I already had a meeting with the architect this morning. He didn't want to be on camera. He's shy, but he's like the cutest man ever. Now we are doing the sprinklers and the bathrooms and just everything. So we're having some issues with the pipes, kids. There's too many pipes in here, as you can see.
Okay, so you're saying that
it's like this pipe is in the way. Do you guys see that? Of this beam. And there's this whole pipe that's got to be moved. And all these other pipes. We got some people over here to look at the pipes.
And this one.
This is like so serious and I'm just filming it like it's a joke, but this is actually important, guys.
7-6. Actually, you have 7-7 kind of.
Uh-oh. There's a lot of mathing right now.
This I don't.
Woohoo! We're up here. Guys, we're in the ceiling. Woohoo! This is not what normal clients do, but that's okay. I thought I would see what's in the ceiling. Is this what tall men feel like? Lucky bastards. It's the view from up here. Woo. Well, this is cool. It's like some giant sinks. Awesome. Okay, so we're actually going here. Kohler. I'm gonna vlog buying a toilet. Woohoo. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, cool. I love these stores. It makes me feel like I'm in a fake house. Woo. Ooh. Oh my god, look at this, you guys. They're alive. Hello? I actually don't love any of these. So. Ooh, this is literally exhausting. Look at this. You can go to like 900 different design aesthetics in 1 second. This is more my vibe. This one's pretty cute. Kinda. Cool. This is a very luxe looking toilet store. All right, let's see. Holy shitballs, there is so many toilets in here. Wow. Oh my god, look at them all. Jeez. All right, let's see. Oh! That was amazing. Oh god, look at this. You can't even tell. These are like all different colors of white just to drive me insane. This one is kind of cute. Huh? What do you think, guys? This is the worst YouTube video I've ever made. I can't believe I'm literally bringing you toilet shopping with me. That's a new low of content. I think this is interesting though, personally. We got all the toilet colors. Oh Lord. I had to go to the bathroom, so I'm in the bathroom. This is hilarious. This cost $19,000. What the fuck? Alrighty. Stop 7 billion of the day. Let's see. Well, that looks very not open. Okay. Huh. Alright, here we go. Bathroom land. Oh my god, what a cool faucet. Wow. I suppose that toilet isn't horrifyingly ugly. So much. Ooh. I wonder what they call this. That's pretty. I want to buy that. Also, why is this price quote? Hi, honey. Why is this price quote for the toilet so inspiring? Dream shop experience. This is like my life. So Wednesday, you guys probably saw me post on my Instagram story. I left my windows all open and in true Snow White Disney Princess fashion,
a bird flew into my house.
So obviously my house is under construction. But a bird has flown in my house. Honey, you have to get out of here. Oh no, what do we do? Oh, we gotta help it. Oh, honey, I'll let you out.
So I saved it. It's happy back in Birdland, but that actually made me feel really special. I loved it. Good omen.
It is 8 a.m. I drove all the way to Orange County. I look like ass. All right, so we're gonna go pick up the tile for the bathroom. Woohoo! Alrighty, let's get some tiles. Right, we came to the flooring store. All of these choices. Look at everything. Dun dun dun.
I'm thinking that. Like, see, what do you guys think? I think that could be kind of pretty, eh? Mm-hmm. Also, of course, the close-up test. Yeah. They get the marble from like quarries and whatever. I don't know. It's kind of neat.
I literally drove an hour for a 5-minute pickup, but okay, let's go deliver it. All right, guys, the tiles are getting cut. Look at this. They're cutting all the pieces into little tiny perfect pieces. We got this cutter thing and everything. Woo, a lot of math involved in this, and that's not my thing. Cool. All right, guys, we're getting the tile all laid down. Look at this. This is insane. Everything's all cut up. They literally have to do it like perfectly to match everything. Beautiful. I won't mess anything up, I promise. Wow. Cool. Wow.
Profession.
Perfecto. Oh yeah, hell yeah, guys. The toilets arrived. Woo!
Grand opening.
Grand opening, exactly. Right, well, I tried to get this out, but you can see it. It's gorgeous. You can see the color. This is like the top lid is gonna match the floor. Super pretty because it's like an off-white color, so that's fun. And you can see the floors matching the top of the sink. It's gonna be fabulous. Again, fashion. I dress so bad now. All right, so I need some lighting. I need some chandeliers. I know I've been chandelier shopping and I've bought some, but you know, I need some more. So we're going on a beautiful day for, oh no. This is just one of my favorite stores.
We have a pair, big.
Oh, treasures everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at these little chairs. They're just like the little chairs that I already have, but they're even cuter. Oh my gosh. And they have a matching chair. Oh my gosh. I would obviously redo the pink, but this is beautiful. This is not what I'm supposed to be doing. Like, oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous all these are. I really want one like that for the ballroom. I feel like would be so fire. This is actually kind of cool too, but I don't like this shade of gold. I want it to be more like brassy, like that shade of gold. Do you see the difference? I know, I'm so picky. Oh, like, what do you guys think? I could do like a really old style one like that. Something like this in the ballroom, I feel like could be cool. Or something more traditional like that. But basically, I don't know if I want to do like an old style one. Like, I'm obsessed with stuff like this for the ballroom. I just feel like could be so cool. Or I could go like more classic, like, you know, this is more, God, it's hard to even show them. There's so many. But you can see like this maybe for the living room, something like this, just huge. All right, guys, I'm here again. I just wanted to give you an update on my sinks. I finally picked out faucets. Bless up. I actually ended up picking this one for the 2 sinks in the master bathroom, but they're gonna have slightly different handles because I'm not a huge fan of these. And this one, so gorgeous. I'm actually gonna do a custom version of this because you guys know this one was my most favorite, but I can't afford that one. So basically it's gonna be like this, except this is gonna be a different color, like this. So the stone thing is gonna be this color, like honey onyx. It's gonna be gorgeous. Like, look at this, guys. Even the toilet paper holders can be fancy with the stone. Oh my God.
Like imagine this in this gold color for my toilet handle. This is so dramatic and gorgeous. I'm spending my life savings in this store. Cheryl Wagner, please sponsor me. I beg of you. Ooh, they gave me a present. I'll show you this in a minute. They didn't really give this to me. I have to bring it back or pay for it, but just on loan. But for now, I feel cool. Oh my gosh, imagine that on all the doors. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh wow, okay. Ta-da! Oh, good Lord. Chaos. So there you go. That was kind of the last little while. Actual updates, here you go. Starting with the beginning of the house, I did officially pick the marble. So we're gonna go with this. This is called Calcutta Caldia. It's like a gorgeous white, like gold flecked stone. It's freaking beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, imagine that's gonna be iconic. You can see the fireplace is totally gone, which is cool. Photoshopped it to kind of show you, but it should look something like this. So that's super cool. We're gonna do a big round hearth. That's awesome. So basically everything is on pause until we can figure out how to move all the pipes. And we're waiting for like approval on that. So annoying, but there you go. In the meantime, remember how I was saying I was gonna take out this wall? So the wall used to be there and now it's completely gone, which is so stinking cool. Literally makes the room a bajillion times bigger. La, 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 space. The railing is gonna go in here. I had a little meeting with the railing people. You guys voted on Twitter and Instagram that gold was the way to go, and I agree, so all gold it is. It's gonna be unbelievable. Oh my gosh. So that's getting all done up right now. Super cool. And moving on, speaking of floors, how cool is this? Dun, 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 dun. It's obviously not done. The grout isn't put in and it's not polished or anything, but you can see, look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's like a white honey onyx. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, when it's all done, it's gonna be so gorgeous. My toilet's gonna go there, and then my little seashell sink is gonna go here. Like you can see, this is the back plate of the sink that I got, so my faucet's gonna go on that. This is obviously gonna be up taller, but you can see, look at that. It's gonna kind of like all match and look like Ariel's Dreamland sink. That's what I've been calling it anyway. In here is still absolute chaos, but that doesn't matter. And the other update is, like I said, I finally got sink faucets for these, so that's gonna look something like this. That's gonna be just so beautiful. I am so excited for that. And also, my toilets, cause they're so gross. Like, again, like this is literally the foulest thing I've ever seen. So I got 2 new toilets for that. Look at those babies, so fabulous. And I picked out some really exciting levers for those. So this is gonna be the hardware. Gorgeous, yay. So lots is happening. Everything is basically just like in the process. It's just like, oh, this takes a lot longer than you think. There's just so many little details that are like, oh my God. Oh God, and someone's calling me. Ah. Yeah, there's just like every 2 seconds in and out and me and everything, but yeah, that's kind of what's been happening. So those are my little house updates. I'll continue to give you guys updates more as things keep happening. Sorry, like I said, it's just been taking so long. Trust me, I want to show you updates of actual tangible things even more than you want me to show you them. So I will see you guys soon, and I will keep you posted on the Sky Castle. Kisses till next time. XO. I literally took off my shoes because they were hurting me. I'm very professional here. I'm just a disaster.